Hey everyone, I'm Dynamic John of Dynamic Carpet Care, and people ask me all the time, what's the safest cleaner I could use on my carpet that's safe for my pets? Well, I'm going to show you a tip on what you can use. Basically, here's the two items you need. You need some dish detergent, and you need your trusty spray bottle. Take just a couple of drops, maybe 2 or 3, put it in your spray bottle. Mix the rest up with hot water. Take your spray bottle and spray it onto the area that you have a stain. Make sure you wipe it real good and take your shop vac and go over it to make sure you get all the moisture out of the carpet. I hope this home remedy for getting out stains of your carpet that's safe for your pets helped you. If you still have an issue, contact a local professional or feel free to contact me anytime at www.dynamiccarpetcare.us. And remember, keep it clean, my friends.